Remember those black fumes from diesel cars? Ever wonder why they're gone? It's all thanks to DPF, a game-changing filter technology. In DPF, which freed you from extreme diesel fumes, could be applied to real-life scenes, what kind of world would it be? At Khanfilter, we're doing just that. We are working on the world's only solution adapting DPF for real-world use, tackling global air pollution challenges through innovative technologies. Our Khanpure system takes DPF to the next level. It uses ceramic filters that stay tough even when exposed to pollutants. These filters wipe out fine dust and odors wherever you are without breaking down. But that's not all. Our system includes a powerful self-cleaning feature that uses catalytic reactions to oxidize captured pollutants. Heat and grease-resistant ceramic filters trap massive amounts of contaminants. One-touch self-cleaning refreshes filters automatically when not in use. This self-cleaning is a real game-changer. No waste, no wastewater. Just a fresh filter every day. And it keeps working day after day, year after year. Oh, and did I mention? It sterilizes 100% of bacteria too. Khanpure isn't just about clean air. It's a climate-smart solution that cuts carbon emissions significantly. Plus, it saves energy, reduces waste, and lowers costs. We're tackling air quality where it matters most, in your everyday spaces. That's where Khanfilter's innovation really shines. Fine dust, odors, bacteria. Khanpure handles it all. And it does so in a cost-effective way that's also kind to the environment. With Khanpure, we're not just clearing the air. We're helping businesses and countries hit their environmental goals too. At Khanfilter, we believe clean air is your right. And we're here to help you claim it.